Hello everyone and welcome back. In the last videos we have done how to create the UI of these screens, but in this video I will show you how to fix the bugs of the UI of the iOS and Android. So let's start with the practical. So first we are going to check the onboarding screen. In the onboarding screen, the both screen are looking perfect, so we do not touch anything in the onboarding screen. So first we are going to the login screen. So in the login screen we can see an Android device, we can see the top is touching the status bar, but in the iOS it's looking fine. First we are going to fix the Android screen. So this is my login screen. In the first we should import the status bar for the Android, status bar, React Native, and save it. And also let me check in the safe area view. In the safe area view we already defined the ground color white, so let me remove this color and save it. And now you can see the status bar but the highlighted color, and just come here in the view, add the safe area view color to the your view. We need the spread operator and just save it. After that I'm going to the view again, and let me remove the padding horizontally and save it. Main view and just save it. So now it's looking good. First we are going to define the status bar styling, like a bar styling. So we have dark content. Let me save it. Now we can see the status bar is visible. Now we can see when our login here is touching the status bar. So for that I'm going to the padding, top. But also you can see in the iOS device we do not need any spacing from the top, so I will be import the platform.os. If OS is Android iOS, so I just apply the 0. If OS is Android, so I will be moderate vertical 20. So now you can see, so we have a spacing from the top. Also we just import the platform.os from the React Native, and so you can see we have a color issue in this. So for that I'm going to the safe area view, and also just platform again, just background color, define the background color, and platform.os is if the platform color, if the OS is iOS, so I will be apply the color dot white, and if the OS is Android, so I will be go for the transparent. So let me apply the semicolon. So now we need to fix the social login bug. So for that I'm going to add the margin bottom, like a moderate scale, 10 or 20 is enough. So margin 20 or 40. So now we can see we just saved the issue of the Android and iOS both. So now we are going to solve the keyboard issue, like when you open the keyboard. So like let me show you how to open. Let me show you first to open the keyboard. So when I open the keyboard, when I click anywhere of the screen, it should be automatically dismiss the keyboard. So now it's not dismiss the keyboard. So for that I'm going to import the touchable without feedback, without feedback from the React Native, and just come here and wrap your first view and save it. Let me put it down and save it. And also after that we need to on press and just input the keyboard dot dismiss and save it. If I open the keyboard and when I click anywhere of the screen, so it will be automatically dismisses like this. You can see if I click anywhere of the screen, also we have faced one issue more. When I click the near of the forget password, so it's also touchable like this. You can see if I click here, so it's also touchable. So for that I'm going to the forget text. So this is my text. Let me cut it and also import the touchable opacity. Just import the touchable opacity from the React Native and save it. After that, I'm going to the forget text and just remove the text align, just comment the text align. And now we are going to the copy the on press and paste it in the touchable opacity and save it. But we have issue like a left side, so for that I'm going to apply the styling and align self and flex end. So now it will go to the right side, solve this issue also. So now we are going to the create account screen and fix and the UI issue of the create account screen. Just click on the create new account screen and let's see the Android login screen and create account screen have same issue. So now I'm going to the create account screen. So first I'm going to import the status bar from the React Native and just style. Let me see the border bar style. So we need to apply the dark content. First I'm going to the main view, safe area view, and just cut the, also apply the platform platform.os. If platform OS is equal to iOS, apply the white color background. If it's not iOS, so we need to apply the transparent. Just save it. Also copy the background color white. We do not need the padding horizontally also in there. And just go to the, this is my view, and just edit the background color here. Background color, just pass your background color white. Save it. And also we need to pass the padding horizontally. Moderate scale 20. So let me close this also. So also we need a margin top also, padding top. We need a padding top again, and just padding top platform, apply the platform check also. OS iOS, so we need to apply the 0. If it's not, so we need to apply moderate vertical scale 20. So like, so now we can see we have faced this issue also. So now I'm going to solve the issue of the social login. So this is my social login, so cut it, margin bottom, moderate scale, moderate vertical, and just add 40. So let's fix. So now we are going to fix that issue of the keyboard. So for the keyboard issue, just first we are going to import the keyboard touchable without the feedback. Cut it and wrap your all view and just come here. We need to on press and just type keyboard. Keyboard also import from the React Native. Dismiss. We need, when I open the keyboard, you can see if I click anywhere of the screen, so it will be dismissed automatically like this, you can see. And also let's see in the iOS also, if I open the keyboard, if I click anywhere of the screen, you can see. So like this we can solve the bugs of the UI. And also I want to show you how to handle the keyboards. In the next video I will show you how to handle validation, toast messages, API calling. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.